In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to tables and figures in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet valuable skill for anyone who frequently works with documents containing tables or figures, as captions provide clarity and make referencing in your documents a breeze. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. Ensure you have both your document ready and have identified which tables or figures you need to caption. If you haven't created a table yet, you may want to do that first. You can simply go to the Insert tab in Word and select Table to begin, adjusting the dimensions as you see fit. Once you have your table ready, the next step is to right-click on the table. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From these, select Insert Caption. This feature is quite handy because it allows you to create structured captions that Word can use to generate lists of figures or tables in seconds, and also helps others understand and navigate your document more efficiently. Now, a small window will appear labeled Caption. Here's where you'll define how your caption appears. You'll see a section called Label. By default, this might read Figure, but if you're captioning a table, you can easily change the label to Table. It's a simple change, but crucial to ensure that your table captions are identified correctly in the document. Additionally, this window provides options to customize how your captions are numbered. You can select from a variety of numbering schemes, allowing all your figures or tables to follow a consistent format throughout the document. Once you're satisfied with the options and have filled in your desired caption text, click OK. And just like that, you've added a caption to your table or figure. It's straightforward, isn't it? With each caption you create, remember these structured captions are more than just labels. They act as essential anchors for anyone referencing the content of your document. If you later decide to add more tables or figures, you can quickly repeat these steps. Also, thanks to Word's automatic updating feature, if you change your table order or add new ones, the document updates the numbering in your captions automatically. It's all about making document handling more efficient. This wraps up our tutorial today. By following these steps, you can now make your Word documents much more accessible and user-friendly. Remember, organization with clear captions can greatly enhance the professionalism of your documents. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to continue sharpening your Microsoft Office skills.